Hello everyone, this is Alan from Technology Moments. We're gonna show you very quickly today the experience that we had with these accessories for those of you who want to have more wiring alternatives with your LED RGB strips. Interconnect LED lighting, link many segments of LED strips, remote power unit locations, and more. You will get in the box the 10 connectors that in a moment I'll show you how they work, the 4-line extension wire, a small screwdriver which is very handy for opening closed connectors, and a small clamping sort of like an opening tool. Not that you're really gonna need them, but it's good to have them in the package. At first, I was not very confident that these were gonna work, particularly these connectors as they work just as any RJ45 networking connector. They punch through the cable, so they are gonna punch through the connectors in the LED strip. Well, I gotta tell you, they worked pretty good and they are very well designed. Either if you're an RGB backlighting enthusiast, or if you're just a professional installer, or even if you just every once in a while like to connect LED RGB strips, you will want to have some of these on your electricity accessory drawer as they'll become very handy. I had some of these laying around and I wanted to backlight some equipment and they were of great help. I connected the ends also very easily with these connectors. The first tips that I have to give you is that if you're gonna combine different strips, check first the voltage, then if you're gonna cut them, cut exactly where the cutting guide is. Align the contacts and press firmly. Most of the times, with your hand will be enough. If LED strip is thick, you might want to use some pliers. I immediately had the result I expected. They came on without having to reconnect or check the connector installation. The only time that I had to do this is because I was not careful enough to check the polarity of the extension wire, which is conveniently marked at one of the contacts, which can be a 5, 12 or 24 volt positive cable. The other ones left for the RGB negatives. This accessory set works as expected and I have already put it to good use. I think that for those of you who are working on projects with several or many interruptions of lighting and need more jumps from one place to the other one, more connectors may be needed. I have a lot of ideas I want to put my hands on thanks to the use of these connectors and extension. Thanks for watching. Remember that the idea is for us to share our experiences with you, so if you're in the decision-making process of which accessories to buy for your backlighting, you make an informed decision.